Isigameko sangolwesibili sokuthunjwa kwezingane ezimbili lesi sibhedlela siqubule ukukhathazeka ngezokuphepha. Inyunyana yezisebenzi zezempilo iNEHAWU ithi ukunqanyulwa kwesabelo mali kushiye lesi sibhedlela sibhekene nezinselele.
Even this budget cut has made more damage in terms of security cuts. They've cut the numbers. They're even looking at further cutting the numbers of security.
Umphathiswa wezempilo e-Eastern Cape ukuvumile ukuthi umnyango ubhekene nezinselele.
That's the reality of the budget cuts, but when we, as a department, we sat and said we need to look in areas where we can have some savings.
Iqembu umkhonto wesizwe lithi lezinselele azibandakanyi nje imali kuphela.
The main problem here is in governance and leadership of the hospital itself, but two, even the spokesperson of the province, I've asked him, what's happening with the board of this province? And he made it very clear that the board is ineffective, it's not working, it's dysfunctional.
Ucapha uthi unethemba lokuthi kuzophela lenyanga selikhona ibhodi kulesi sibhedlela.